In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude Code from the command line and use it to build a simple full-stack web page project. We're going to keep this process straightforward and practical so you can follow along in real time. The goal is to get Claude Code installed, launch it inside your project folder, and then use a single prompt to generate the core files for a web page. By the end, you should have a working project you can test locally on your own machine. To begin, open your terminal. This could be terminal on macOS, command prompt, or PowerShell on Windows, or your preferred shell on Linux. Once the terminal is open, install Claude Code globally using npm by running the install command for the Claude Code package. This global installation makes the tool available from anywhere on your system, which is helpful if you plan to use it across multiple projects. If npm is not already installed, make sure Node.js is set up first, since npm comes bundled with it. After the installation finishes, navigate to the directory for the project where you want Claude Code to work. Use your normal terminal commands to move into that folder. This part matters because Claude Code will operate inside the directory you launch it from, and that means any files it creates will be written there. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct project folder before moving on. Now run the Claude Code command to initialize the agent. This starts the interactive coding assistant inside your project environment. Once the agent is active, give it a clear instruction. Build a full-stack web page with index.html, styles.css, and script.js. That prompt tells the agent exactly which files you want and gives it a focused task to complete. Clear prompts usually lead to cleaner results, so it helps to be direct and specific. At this stage, allow the AI agent to write the files directly into your directory. As it generates the project files, keep an eye on what it creates so you understand the structure of the output. You should see the HTML file for the page structure, the CSS file for styling, and the JavaScript file for interactivity or logic. Once the files are in place, test the website locally. Open the project in your browser using your usual local development workflow and confirm that everything loads correctly. Check that the